Hey guys, Eitan, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm in the kitchen with Symon. We are like best friends who just met for the first time in real life.
Biffle people.
Yes, literally.
Yeah, what are we doing?
Today we are doing the bottle cap challenge cooking edition.
Woo!
Okay, so for those of you who don't know, the bottle cap challenge is going all over the internet where people basically get their samurai skills on. They have some type of bottle and they like kick the top off.
Yes.
Now I figured there's no one better who's like more energetic to do this with than Symon.
Yeah, we're perfect.
Yes. So Symon, why don't you introduce yourself? I feel like you have the coolest job based on the planet.
Eitan, you are so sweet. I actually think that you have the coolest job I've ever seen. I mean, I wish that I could cook because I'm just good at ordering Postmates or making reservations. But my name is Symon, and that's Symon with a Y, and I am a host on SiriusXM, Channel 2 on SiriusXM, Hits 1 in Hollywood, Monday through Friday.
So we're a little nervous. I don't know how it's gonna go. We shall see.
We'll see. I don't know about my kicking skills. I really haven't, done Taekwondo lately or Krav Maga, but we'll see what happens.
We are making a mango lassi. So the first ingredient obviously is mango, and for this challenge I put all the ingredients in a mason jar with a lid. Let's go head outside and let's see if we can figure out how to do the bottle cap challenge. Okay, let's go. All right, ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
1, 2.
Oh, shoot. We don't have to get this one. That was a battle going to bloopers. Alright, so Symon and I were just filming and we kind of made a mess outside.
Broke the glass.
Yes, yeah, I'll put the video right now. We broke the glass. So we're heading to a store to buy some more mango and hopefully a jar if we could find.
We're going to Target, and you know what? I bring solo cups in the car. Don't worry, it's filled with water. Let's go, Eitan.
Alright, let's go.
Check out the stuff.
Alright, we got it.
We got the stuff, we're good to go. Take 2. I feel like we got this, yeah? Getting a little too cocky, alright.
Alright, ready? I'll say that was a success.
That was unbelievable. We just absolutely killed that.
That was like a 1 or 2 take wonder.
Woo, I'm feeling good.
Yeah, you're basically like a ninja. Okay, so do you want to add, we're not even like gonna measure, just kind of like put it all in there.
Okay, the whole thing?
All right, camera woman, AKA mom, come closer.
Come here, Mom.
Yeah, just kind of pour most of it, I feel like. Okay. Just go all in.
We're going all in today.
There we go. All right, perfect.
Last one.
Oh, that's a 5 minute?
She's not getting out. Sorry, honey.
Almost.
Come on. Yes!
Got it.
All right, we're making things happen today.
Okay, all right, I think we're getting exhausted going back in and out. All right, now we have some yogurt here. Let's go try the challenge. This one I feel like is gonna be harder because it's smaller.
Yeah, I know. I feel like this cap is like a little bit more heavy. I don't know.
Okay, let's give it a try.
Okay.
Go. I usually online these take like 10 tries.
You know what, guys? I'm not a specialist in this. I'm good at hosting, but not this so much. All right, ready?
And go. Oh, that was close.
Terrible. Hey, I got this.
Let's make it and go.
Hey!
Right,
Dab it out. Dab it out.
Perfect. Let's go. We got it. All right, awesome. Let's try another. Okay, we nailed that again. We are experts.
I honestly, I can't believe this. I feel like crying. I feel like I just won an award. I mean, we're amazing.
Yeah, we're experts. So just add in about like most of it. We're not measuring here. The actual recipe I'll put down below so you guys can like really make it. Well, there we go. That's good.
Too much.
Perfect. It's all good.
I'm not the cook here.
Okay. Yes. So we will just. That's all good. We'll do this. Okay. Now I feel like maybe we should just kind of like. Do these last 3 kind of all at once so we don't have to run back inside. We got the mint, we have some honey here, and we have a little bit of heavy cream. Let's go kick the tops off all these and add them in.
Let's do it.
Right, let's do it. Oh God, straight line.
Can I make a suggestion? Don't do a running in there. Stand closer.
You got this.
Oh! This is one take wonder. Oh, that probably looks good. Okay, we kind of lost the cat in the pool. experts at this.
Wow, this is insane.
Okay, so
I don't know who I
this
am.
is for garnish, so we'll put
Okay.
that to the side. Can you add in about half the heavy cream?
Yes.
In there. I'll add in the honey. The honey takes forever to add it. It's very, very slow. All right, I like honey mine just to really sweeten it, so yeah, we'll just go all in there.
Yum.
Now it is like super easy. This is kind of like a good breakfast smoothie if you want.
Yeah.
You can have it if you're eating some spicy food. That's kind of what it's meant for, to cool down spicy food. Now I couldn't get it out here in LA because I'm super cheap and I was not going to pay like $9 for a bottle of cardamom for one little bit. But if you have $9, if you have
He
cardamom,
admits that he's cheap. You know what? That's okay. At least you're admitting that.
Yes, I'm very cheap. So we didn't get cardamom, but if you have cardamom, add in a little bit of crushed cardamom seeds in here. It'll make it really good. All right, where's the top? Here we go. Ready? Do you want to do the honors of clicking?
Oh, I would. You know what? I would love to.
Oh wait, we need ice. We also need ice.
Oh,
Let's go
okay,
to the
okay,
freezer.
okay.
Where
I
do we
have
go?
ice.
All right, now to add in that ice. Do about like half of it to start.
Okay.
Okay, that looks good. All right, we'll set the rest aside. Probably stuck to the bottom. Okay, do you want to do the honors? We want to put this on the highest setting, so probably ice crush.
Okay, are you
All right,
ready?
ready, guys? Coming close.
Let's do this. 1, 2. Okay, you do it.
I'll do it. Okay, there we go. All right, how do we do this? I
you
just
good?
messed it up. Let's see
No,
how we
you're
do
not
it.
gonna mess anything up. I might. Here we go.
I've opened blenders before and I
Yeah.
forgot to secure the bottom on, and I open it and then
Oh, that happens to me every day.
yeah. So
I'm so excited to try this.
okay, all right, here we go. So let's pour this in.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Serve up a nice big glass. You see, it's like a very thick drink.
Yum.
It's very good to have with a straw. I like metal straws. Oh my
Yeah.
God, I'm basically an LA person.
You are so LA. I don't even have a metal straw, and I live here.
Yeah, no,
They should shun me.
They should, basically. No, yeah, I love metal straws, and all right, here we go. But yeah, you can obviously drink it without a straw also. Then, just to be a little like bougie, I like to.
We love bougie here.
Yes. Well, I feel like you're one thing I love about your Instagram. You do a lot of like very like bougie photo shoots.
I love a good photo shoot.
Yeah. So I feel like you're like the
go-
queen of bougie.
I love clothes.
Yeah.
So I love that it's a way that I express myself, like you are with your food, and that's one angle that you like to. I think, in a sense, it's another like way of performing for me, like putting different outfits together, and not always having like the same style,
Yeah.
but like mixing it up and
And like
being
you did
fun.
some like I think you did like a post about you did like a western look or something.
Oh,
That was
I'm gonna
so fun.
take my
Yeah.
horse to the old town road. Yeah, I was like, oh no.
That was hilarious. Okay,
Yeah.
so to be a little bougie, just add a little bit here.
So cute.
And there we go. That is how you do it. Super
Eitan,
easy. Let's
L'chaim.
All right, let's try. Hopefully it lives up to expectations.
Oh my god, that is phenomenal.
Good. Very refreshing.
I'm so happy you were born. This is phenomenal.
Oh, it actually is really good.
I'm gonna be honest. I didn't think I was gonna like it, and I love it.
Yeah, it's very good. Actually, I do not like yogurt, like at all.
Me either. I'm like not like a huge yogurt fan. Frozen yogurt.
food all over my mouth.
Yeah, we both do. Who cares?
It's okay. I happen to actually really do not like yogurt. I do not yogurt. I eat yogurt in just mango lassies. That's basically it.
This is delicious
Yeah, it's like very refreshing for like the summer, things like that.
for everyday life because we roll like that. Wait, ready?
Yes. Oh.
L'chaim.
Whatever.
Best
I'm
friend.
gonna choke. I'm laughing so hard.
BFFs for life. Honestly,
Awesome.
having Chef Eitan in my kitchen, I feel like I need to learn how to cook now.
Yeah,
This
next
is
time
so
I
amazing.
come out to LA, we're gonna come actually like cook. Like,
We're gonna cook. We're gonna throw down.
food.
I would really love to have your penne alla vodka and your brownies.
That is very good. Okay, so we went outside. It's like beautiful out here.
Oh!
We are in the sun. This was so much fun. Thank you so much for being on
Are
my
you kidding
YouTube channel.
me? Thank you so much. This was so fun to meet all of you.
Yeah, so Simon, where can everyone find you if they want to follow? Or if they are going to follow?
If they were going to, I would love it. Love to connect with you all on my Instagram @official Symon, and that's Simon with a Y. And if you want to listen to me on the radio on SiriusXM, Channel 2 on Hits 1, Monday through Friday, 4 to 7 PST, and EST 7
On
to
my
10.
Yes. And Simon interviews like the coolest people like Shawn Mendes, BB Rexa, Miley
cute.
Cyrus. It is so cool. I would like, it seems like a super fun job. So yeah, I will link all of Simon's information down below. Definitely give her a follow. Check her
Love
out on the
you.
radio. I remember the first time I saw you post on Instagram that you were like live, and I went on the thing and it was like, oh my god, that is so cool to listen to you. So this was super fun.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. If you guys want the recipe for these mango lassis,
So
I will
good.
link it down below. Be sure to like and comment. Also, if you want to check out, I also just posted on my Instagram feed right now when you're watching this video, a video of us doing the bottle cap challenge. Another one that you're not going to see in this video. So go check that out. All right, this is super fun. If you haven't already, be sure to click that like button. If you enjoyed watching, comment down below. Did you try this challenge? If you did, be sure to send us a video. We want to see.
Yes, we want to see it.
We want to see it. And if you haven't already, click that big red subscribe button. It's big, it's red, it's free. Do you think they should click it?
Look at this guy. You need to subscribe.
Yes, click that subscribe button. This is super fun. All right, I think we should just finish our drink.
Ready? Let's do one more. L'chaim. Wow.
All right, I think I'll
No, I'm gonna stay here all day and drink this with you.